Hi Casey, my name is Jennifer and I'm the occupational therapist here. I understand that you're the paraeducator for this kindergarten classroom.
Yes, I am, and in our classroom, I love my students, but I just want to be able to address all their needs. We have a lot of issues, so I'm excited to learn from you.
Well, I'm very excited today to talk with you because I'm going to teach you about some different handwriting tools that will help all of your children be able to have better handwriting so that they can enjoy handwriting better.
Yes, they struggle with that. That's what we're working on right now, so this is wonderful.
Well, good. Two of the things that I'm going to be teaching you today are how to use pencil grips with your students, and then also how to use a slant board. Pencil grips, they just go on the outside of your pencil. You just slide them right on, like that. And they're very useful because they place the fingers in a more efficient position so they can improve a student's pencil grasp, which will decrease hand fatigue and improve legibility of handwriting.
Okay.
And then slant boards are very beneficial because they put the paper at an angled surface, which can help with posture, so it'll have your students sit up straighter, which that can help with back problems later on. And then it also prevents them from having to lean down. I don't know if you have any children that lean really close to their paper and write like this.
I do.
So being on an angled surface, it's a lot easier to see the paper. And then also what an angled surface does is, I don't know, do you have any students that have flexed wrists
I
like
have
this?
2 students that have that actually.
Okay, well with slant boards, that actually helps because if you notice, it puts the wrist at an extended position.
Okay.
And when your wrist is extended like this, you're able to use the smaller muscles inside of your hand that are needed to write with a pencil.
That makes perfect
So
sense.
if you want to just try it out really quick,
Yes, I would love to.
try out first without the slant board and flex your wrist for me and see how hard it is to write with a flexed wrist.
Goodness, I can't even, I have to bring this up.
So now try it with the slant board. Do you see how much
yes.
easier that is?
The
To
position.
extend your wrist.
Yes.
It just allows for finer movements, which can increase all of your kindergarten's handwriting. And
Yes.
you'll of course then be able to grade their papers easier.
that would be nice.
So that was the slant board.
Okay.
And now I'm going to show you a few different pencil tools or pencil grasps. Okay, this one, you just follow the direction of the arrow. So you slide the
right.
pencil in like that.
Okay.
Sometimes they're a little tricky to get in. And then what it does is it places the child's hand in a tripod position, which
Okay.
is when all 3 of these fingers are touching the pencil.
Okay.
And this is suggested as that most efficient pencil grasp position.
Okay.
But I don't want you to think that every student needs to write with this pencil grasp because that's not the case. If a student writes with a funny grasp, that's completely okay as long as their handwriting is legible and as long as they're not complaining of hand fatigue.
Okay.
I don't want you to try to correct something that is okay for the student,
Okay.
only if you see that they're having issues.
Right.
So this is really nice because it does place that thumb into that cradle as well as the finger, and then it kind of holds the middle finger down here where it belongs. So it just holds the fingers in a better position, and it helps prevent their fingers from sliding around. Do you want to try it out?
Yes. Oh, we need these as adults. This is nice.
I know, they're very comfortable.
I like how it has a spot just for the finger in the back.
Mm-hmm. And then the next one I'm going to show you, it's very similar. It holds the fingers in a tripod.
Okay.
Again, you just slide, the thumb goes in this larger hole, and then you just slide in the other 2 fingers.
Oh, wow.
And it just kind of holds the fingers in position when you're writing.
Okay.
Try that one?
Yes, I'd love to. Oh, wow.
Good job. All right. So these are all tools that I will hand over to you,
Okay.
and you can try them with all the students in your classroom. Students that are having problems, students that aren't having problems,
Right.
just so that they all feel comfortable sampling with the different equipment. So do you have any questions?
No, I do not. I'm just wondering,